Quick question. What's the difference between a glitch, a bug, and a malfunction? You think they mean the same thing, right? Wrong. And here's the weird part. The word glitch actually comes from Yiddish, not English. Most people don't know this. Even tech people get it wrong. By the end of this video, you'll sound like an expert. Let's break it down. Okay, so glitch comes from the Yiddish word glitch, which means to slip or slide. Jewish American engineers working at NASA in the 1960s used this word to describe small, unexpected problems in their equipment. Sounds random, but here's why it stuck. It perfectly described that moment when something slides or slips away from normal operation. 1 second everything works. The next second, glitch. It doesn't. The word caught on in tech culture and never left. Now we use it everywhere. Not just for computers. Alright, pronunciation. Most learners say glitch correctly. That's good. But here's what separates intermediate from advanced. Native speakers often use glitch with different stress when they're being casual versus formal. Casual? There's a glitch in the system. Formal technical context? We've identified a glitch in the algorithm. It's subtle, but your ear will catch it. Also, nobody says glitches in plural that often. Instead, native speakers say we're having glitches or multiple glitches, but in conversation. They often just say the system's been glitchy all day. That adjective form, glitchy, is super common. Here's where most textbooks fail you. They only teach the tech definition. But native speakers use glitch way more creatively. Example 1. There was a glitch in the plan. Meaning a small unexpected problem. Example 2. She had a glitch moment. Meaning she briefly malfunctioned. Like made a weird mistake or forgot something. Example 3. My favorite. A glitch in the matrix. Pop culture reference meaning something feels wrong with reality itself. All three are real. All three are B1 appropriate. And all three use the same metaphor. Something briefly stopped working correctly. Your brain is the system. Your plan is the system. Reality is the system. Okay. Mistakes time. First, don't say, a glitch happened to me. It sounds unnatural. Say, I experienced a glitch, or, I had a glitch. Second, don't overuse it. Learners sometimes say, glitch, for every small problem. That's wrong. Use it for sudden, unexpected, temporary problems, not permanent ones. If your computer breaks permanently, that's not a glitch. That's broken. Third mistake. Grammar. The system glitched. Yes. The system is glitching. Yes. It's currently happening. The system has been glitching. Yes. It started in the past and continues. But don't say the system glitched out. Actually, wait. Native speakers do say glitch out, meaning to malfunction suddenly. So ignore that. Use glitch out casually. Quick challenge before we finish. I'm going to give you 3 sentences. 1 is from a textbook. Sounds stiff. 2 are from real conversations. Can you identify them? Ready? 1. The software experienced a technical glitch requiring immediate attention. 2. Dude, the Wi-Fi's been glitching all morning. So annoying. 3. We identified a glitch in our deployment pipeline. The textbook sentence is number 1. Experienced a technical glitch. Too formal. Too stiff. Numbers 2 and 3 are real. Number 2 is casual conversation. Number 3 is workplace technical discussion. Both sound natural because they use glitch the way actual people do. Your homework? Use glitch 3 times this week in real sentences. Not in a textbook. In messages. Conversations. Whatever. Make it stick.